Hello, it's me again. What's interesting, since my last video, I've actually had a request in for to draw something quite specific. Actually, it's rather odd. A request by let's think, what kind of name can I make up? I've had a request in from someone on YouTube called Bob. Let's say Bob, yeah, Bob. And he or she, they, whatever, asked me to draw a sheep. Sure, why not? Yeah. Bob asked me to draw a sheep. So, in all fairness, I mean, I think that's a stupid idea, so I'm not going to draw a sheep, but Bob, if you're watching, I'm going to draw something even better. If you're not watching, then you're missing out on like the best lesson of your life. So if you thought this was helpful, Bob, then just I don't know, send me some money or a cookie or something, and yeah, Bob, please don't ever write to me again, because you're just going to be wasting my time. Bye.